Hello, Geometry Geniuses. This is Mrs. Long, and we're going to take a look at a question like what you'll see on number 11 on Interim Assessment 1 in Geometry. Here, they have given us a rectangle, A, and they have transformed or changed or moved this rectangle to A prime, which is up here. Now, when we look at a problem like this, they're telling us that there are transformations. So more than one thing, more than one step was required to get that rectangle there. Now I can think of a lot of different ways to get that rectangle there, but the best thing to do in a situation like this is to go through the answer choices and see where that puts the rectangle. Now, I noticed that in every single one of my answer choices, there was something about the line y equals 5. So I sketched in my line y equals 5. Remember, anytime we have y equals a number, that represents a horizontal line that passes through that point on the y-axis. Now, I've labeled my y and x-axis here so that you can see where those are. So let's take a look at answer choice A. And I'm going to do answer choice A in blue. Maybe. Here we go. Blue. Blue it is. All right, so answer choice A I'm going to do in blue. All right, now if I reflect A over the y-axis, it's going to be over here. Reflect it over the line y equals 5 is going to put it here. And then 3 units left, 1, 2, 3 is going to put it here. Well, that's not it, is it? But notice I'm not going to scribble through my answer. I'm just going to put a little X next to it in case I change my mind. If I were to scribble through all that and I changed my mind later, then I wouldn't be able to see it anymore. Okay? So now I'm going to go to, how about some purple? And I'm going to do B in purple. I'm going to reflect it across the X-axis this time. So that's going to put it down here. Let's see here, about here. No, I'm sorry, here. All right, reflect it over the line y equals 5. So that's going to reflect it. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to put it here. And then 3 units left. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to put this guy here. I was getting excited there for a second. I thought that might be it. But that's not quite it. So I'm pretty sure that the first two steps are going to be reflect over x and then reflect over y equals 5. What I did, when I reflected across x, I can see that when I reflect it, I am 2 points away from the x-axis. So then I put it 2 points away from the x-axis on this side. And then I noticed that I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places away from y equals 5 here. So I went up above y equals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. And I was getting excited, but then it said move it to the left. So that wasn't it. All right, so let's take a look at C. And I'm going to go with, how about some dark green? All right, so C says reflect over the x-axis. Well, we know that's this guy here. Reflect over the line y equals 5. We know that's going to put a point there. And then 3 units right. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what do you know? I believe that that is going to be the correct answer. So I'm going to put a little check mark here. But you know what I like to do? I like to check the last one just to be sure. So I'm going to go with black this time. And so for answer choice D, I'm going to say reflect over the y-axis. So that's going to put it here. Because 2 to the right, so I go 2 to the left. So that would put it here. All right, then it says reflect over the line y equals 5. So that would go, I would go up 2 then. So that would put it, I believe it was here. I didn't do such a great job of keeping that on the graph. There we go. And then 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. So that would put it here. So yeah, our original thought that it's C is correct. Good luck on your number 11.